Hey guys, it's Jasmine here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know who I am, I do everything from workout videos, hair care videos, skincare to makeup videos. And this one is going to be a makeup video, so let's get right into it. Today I'm going to be doing a fully black owned makeup tutorial. I don't think this foundation stick is going to work. So we are not going to use this foundation stick. I have some other things. This one's by Juvias place, but I'll definitely be trying this out a little later because it's not gonna look great on my skin right now because it's way too dark for that. But to this online shop called Range Beauty, which is also black owned, and they could do foundation samples. So I did that. So we have some samples here in this. Yeah, so we have a couple samples here that one is going to be my bronzer, and then the others I'm going to see if I can use for my foundation today. I don't know about you, but it's really hard to shade match on the internet, so I really like this idea. I got the shades Baked, Rio, and Soul. Ooh, nice and creamy. This is what it looks like in the little pan. This one is the shade Rio. This one is Soul. Okay, that's way too light. Oh no, oh no. This is way too light. Okay, see, this is why I don't usually buy foundations online, because I'm terrible at matching my shade, as you can tell. Okay, I'm going to use Rio. I'm trying to make it work. It's this one right here. I think I can do it. Yeah. I don't want to put too much on at first because, one, this doesn't really match my face, and two, I don't know how full coverage this is. And I'm actually going somewhere today, so like I can't I can't look crazy. Wow, and I really thought I could use one of these shades for a bronzer. These are way too light. Okay, I don't like how the beauty blender is applying it. I'm gonna try my brush. Okay, kind of like how it looks. I'm not mad about the shade. Yeah, I actually kind of like the shade. I think I made it work. I would say it's like medium coverage. On to concealer. This one is by Juvias place. This is a very popular black-owned brand, so if you don't know who they are by now, then I don't know where you've been, honestly. And I got the shade 13. I've had this for a while, but I haven't actually used it yet because I wanted my first impression to be in this video. Okay, yeah, I do like this concealer. Very nice coverage. I like how it doesn't look cakey or anything. Oh my goodness, that is coverage. Okay. Not expecting all of that. Oh yeah, and that's a really pretty shade too. I like that shade. Gorgeous. Oh, that's really pretty. Covered up my dark spots real quick. Look at how beautiful. Okay, here's the thing. I thought I did get bronzer, but I didn't. So I'm gonna use something else. Yeah. I haven't filmed a makeup tutorial in so long, and I'm honestly so happy that I'm doing it. I love makeup tutorials. I love filming them. I actually haven't really filmed an actual video in a while because I'm a working girl now. I work full-time basically. Yeah, I have 2 jobs right now. I work over 40 hours a week. Yeah, I've been working, so I haven't really had time to make YouTube videos, but I'm happy that I'm doing one now. Okay, now for powder, and I'm really excited. I forgot that I already bought this powder, and then I went out and got this one, so we have 2 to try out today. The first one is by Range Beauty. It's the Smooth Out Translucent Setting Powder. It's a nice color. How do you open it? Hello? Oh, ooh, this is nice. It has like a little twister to open it, and this one I would say is more neutral. Let's see, let's open the Beauty Bakery one up. Oh, actually no, this one's more neutral. This one is more yellow. I don't know which one to use. I think I'm gonna use both actually. The one that I'm going to be using underneath my eyes is the one by Beauty Bakery, and I'm gonna take a big brush to powder the rest of my face, and I'm using the Range powder to powder the rest of my face, and also brush off the other powder. I like how I still have a glow, you know, I still have a little radiance coming through, but you can see that everything is fully set as well. Oh, and I forgot to show you the cute little box that the Beauty Bakery comes in. Like, look at how cute this is. All right, but overall, I like both of the powders. It's just I'm gonna have to wait and see what happens throughout the day, see what really happens, and if it keeps my face set. All right, now on to the eyes. So I'm really excited. I bought this beautiful palette from Juvia's place, but then also my mom bought this like 4 set of these mini palettes. So here's 2 of them. I got the neutrals here. Here's one of them, beautiful, and here's the second. To start out, I'm going to be taking the shade Katsina. Oh, I already love it. I already love this shade so much. It's like a little bit darker than my skin tone, but like still there. Oh, I didn't even do my eyebrows. Hold on. Okay, quick and easy eyebrows. Back to the eyes. I kind of wish that this palette had a mirror, but it would make the price go up, but still I kind of wish I had a mirror because this palette would have the perfect mirror size in it. Ooh, look at that color. So cute. Okay, so cute, adorable. Love it. Now I'm going to take the Chocolates by Juvia's place. And look at how beautiful these shades are. Like, look at, oh, just rich. I'm gonna be taking this shade right here in the corner. I'm putting this shade in the outer corner of my crease. Oh, I love it. Beautiful. Wow, and these shades are so easy to blend. Like, even though they're really pigmented, it's still easily movable with the brush. And I love the formula of the eyeshadows. I'm going to try the shade Lulu out and start putting that in like the inner corner. I just want to kind of blend this color into the rest of the crease shades and make a nice little radiance. And I'm kind of going with the shape of my eye creases. Now I'm going to use the Nudes by Juvias, and I'm going to take this shade right here and put that in the middle of my eyelid. Ooh, this one is really creamy, like really creamy. I'm gonna just blend that out with my finger and make sure the 2 shimmer shades that I put on my lid are blending in nicely. And also I'm gonna take the brush that we used for the other shimmer shade and use that to blend a little bit more. Just because I'm gonna try to put some of this Zoya shade on my finger, just tapping it, and I'm gonna try to put that on the outer, just a little bit, not a lot. I just want to take an itty bitty teeny bit of this shade right here, like barely tapping my brush into it. And I'm gonna put it on the outer corner and just swirl my brush. And I'm using a really small brush for this because I don't want to get it everywhere. I want it to stay in the area where I place my brush. But I am going to use one of these shades to highlight my face today. I'm going to use Senegal. This is by the brand Mented, and they have so many gorgeous glosses for people of color. I love this lip gloss. It looks so natural. Now I'm gonna apply these lashes by the brand Brown Girl Beat, and they look like this. They are gorgeous lashes. All right, lashes are on, and I put on a little bit of mascara. This is the finished look. I am really happy how my makeup turned out today. If you guys enjoyed today's video, then give this video a like and also subscribe to my channel to see more of me. I love having you here, and I wish that you would stay and watch more of my videos. I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and also stay safe and keep wearing your masks. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!